Every system we build starts with precision and purpose, engineered for performance, designed for you. Introducing the RW30 NC Rotary Wipe Bender, delivering cycle times as fast as 3 seconds. Our 30mm NC tube bender, with an electric bend head, provides efficient, single-bend processing. Perfect for secondary operations, like putting the final bend on a complex part, the RW30 combines power, control, and flexibility for real-world production demands. The NC Rotary Wipe Bender comes with a soft clamp for obstruction detection. Protect your fingers, the tooling, and your material. The RW30 is built for speed and accuracy. This electric bend head delivers faster bending, consistent results, and minimal maintenance, while quick change tooling keeps your line moving. Enjoy part-to-part repeatability, easy setup, and tool changes in just 10 to 15 minutes. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.